Hello, beautiful souls. I am Sarah Ariana, and this is a very special message from the Arcturians. Now, you may have found that even a week ago, starting a week ago, that the signs and synchronicities have really amped up. And this is in regards to insects or animals or formations in the clouds that are coming through to aid us right now. And you may have noticed that there is a flow here specifically in the information of change and transformation. So you may see dragonflies. You may see lizards on your path. You may see dragons in the clouds, dragon formations, dragon clouds. And this is amping up more and more. So the information from the Divine Light Collective, from the Arcturians, from the energy in this now moment is to really pay attention, to be looking up in the sky, to be paying attention to what's out in front of you and taking notice of the signs and synchronicities that are really amping up. And then to go within. You don't need to externally look for the answers. Ask other people, ask other channels. You can go inside. We have all the information we need within. And it's a time of asking that. It is so beautiful, the information that's coming through and all the help that we are receiving. So I wanted to explain also how this video came to be, this message from the Arcturians. I felt this beautiful energy asking me to come outside and look up at the sky. And as I started to look up at the sky, the clouds shifted. I could feel a ship there, an Arcturian ship there. And the clouds were incredible, mesmerizing. And then I was asked to lay down on the deck, looking up at the sky, recording this as this message came through for all of us. I thank you all so much for being here. This is a really exciting time. And if you're not feeling this energy shift, where there is an energy shift, the energy is amping up, the messages are amping up. If you're not feeling this, the intention of this message is to bring forth hope with the Arcturian message. And this hope is threaded into this message for you, for all of us. For additional support, I'm so excited. On June the 21st, I'm hosting the live Zoom full moon quantum transmission. These quantum transmissions are very powerful, and the registration link is below. All those that register will receive the replay. And I'm so excited for the solstice is right here, right upon us. Blessings of love and light to all. Namaste.
Arcturian message for the Lightworkers. Greetings. We bring forth hope this day to the Lightworker community. For many, you have been through years of trials and tribulations on earth, lifetimes for many. And now the Lightworker transformation begins. The veil lifts, and you step into the world embodying who you truly are. This transformation is from you, dear one, not giving up. It is the knowing in your heart you came here for a reason. All Lightworkers will feel a shift at some level, right before and after the solstice to some degree. Remember, there are waves of volunteers, and not all Lightworkers will be stepping out fully into their missions and purposes all at once. This was tried once long ago, and we and other divine beings have learned that waves of light balance all. We recommend taking stock with how you feel right now. It may be useful to write it down and sit with this. Now imagine before you entered this planet, where you were in complete oneness, love radiated within every part of your being and soul. You had great hope for this world called Earth and the species Humani. Take a moment to breathe here and feel the love within your being. We are bringing forth this frequency to you now. Together as a group, you knew you could do this, bring love to this world and species once more. And now, the time is here. It is finally here for each one of you to be peace, love, creativity, and flow. We share this energy with you now, the remembrance of flow, the remembrance of living your truth. With no energy, person, or circumstance in your way or holding you back any longer. You are free. It is important to remember to be in gratitude, joy, and love, for these states of being keep your vibration high and at a level where you can consistently maintain this new level. Yes, there may be dips as you go out in society and the world. However, you know your boundaries now. You have been to the depths of trauma, grief, and despair. That compassion blooms in your heart, for you know firsthand what Humani is going through. You, dear Lightworkers, are the peace, the light, and the love that now holds the purity of loving your essence that shifts, transmutes, and elevates this world into the new. We congratulate you, the Lightworker community, for leveling up. Let the show begin. We are the Arcturian Council of Light.